I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars.
If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Brooke. If you're not, then welcome back. I did a little tutorial with this Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadow. It's like their duo stick. I actually got it from Influencer. It sent me a box and I'm really excited about it. It came with this. It also came with this little set of perfumes. It came with 4 of them. If you want to see how this little shadow stick, whatever you want to call it, works, I just did a really simple eye with it because I wanted to show off this product, not this product and something else. Like I wanted to just do this. If you want to see how I like this, and if you want to see me fail at my wing liner about 20 times, then just keep watching. So I got this Huda Beauty matte and metal melted shadows duo stick, whatever. One side is matte, one side is shimmer, obviously, as it says. The matte side is Private Jet, so I'll swatch them. And the Shimmering Sunset looks like this. So all I've done is put some shape tape on my lids and I'm just gonna go in and see what happens. It says once you put it on, you need to start blending it out. So I don't think it's one of those that you can dot on here, and then go back, because it says it won't dry fast. At least on the matte side. I don't know about the shimmer side, but just gonna go in and see what happens. It says do 3 dots, but I'm gonna do it as a lid shade and crease color. So yeah. Okay, so this blends out nice. I'm gonna let that dry a second, go over here, and then I'll go back just to see if we can layer it. Alright, so I'm gonna go in for the second time. So it's definitely buildable. Nice. It definitely dries down matte like it's supposed to and blends out good. I mean, for a liquid to matte on an eye look, that blended out bomb. I think I'm just gonna take the shimmer side and just kind of put it in the center. Let's see if I can tap it out with my finger. That's actually really cute. So they have different like little tips Like this one is more like a liquid lipstick on some. And then for the shimmer side, it's more of a brush type. Is that gonna be a pretty wing? Probably not. So I said I didn't care if my wings are even. I totally lied. I care more than anything. I just tried to tell myself that I don't care. I'm totally leaving this in because YouTube and Instagram makes everybody look like their makeup is perfect and it comes out perfect on the first try, and it's just not reality. So I'm just gonna keep this negative stuff in. You're welcome. Are my wings perfectly even? No. Do I care? Yes. Am I gonna fix it? No. Anyways, so I really do like how you can put more on and it doesn't, what's the word? I don't know, it doesn't like build up and get weird. So usually when I'm doing makeup, I have company. Tired company. So overall, pretty freaking nice. It blends out like I didn't really think it would, being a liquid. Of course my lashes are gonna mess with me. So do I like it? Yeah, I do. I actually do. It blends out way better than I thought. I like the metallic side. Overall, I like it. I think it's really simple. This isn't gonna be your go-to glam look, but if you want something simple, then I think this is pretty bomb. So thanks, influencer, for sending me this. If you like this review, sorry about my little meltdown with my eyeliner. I'm sure if you've ever done a wing, you know exactly what that feels like. But yeah, if you like this video, if you like these little reviews, then just like, make sure to subscribe. Just like I say in every video, it's just free. Like, it's free. All you have to do is click the button.